Flow Launcher versus PowerToys Run. Choosing the right app launcher can boost your productivity without slowing you down. Flow Launcher offers deep customization, while PowerToys Run integrates tightly with Windows. Flow Launcher and PowerToys Run are powerful app launchers designed to speed up access to programs and files. The core difference is Flow Launcher's extensibility and plugin support versus PowerToys Run's seamless Windows integration and simplicity. Flow Launcher is an open-source app launcher for Windows focused on extensibility and customization. It works by indexing your apps, files, and folders and letting you search them instantly through a sleek interface. What sets Flow Launcher apart is its plugin architecture, allowing users to add features like web search, calculator, clipboard history, and more. This flexibility makes it ideal for power users who want to tailor their launcher to specific workflows. Flow Launcher supports themes and custom commands, enabling a personalized experience. However, this depth can introduce a learning curve for new users and occasional plugin compatibility issues. It also requires manual setup to unlock its full potential. Overall, Flow Launcher suits users who want a highly customizable launcher that can evolve with their needs and integrate various tools in one place. PowerToys Run is part of Microsoft's PowerToys suite, designed to provide a fast and lightweight launcher tightly integrated with Windows 10 and 11. It indexes installed apps, files, and system commands, offering quick access through a simple, minimal interface activated by a keyboard shortcut. PowerToys Run shines for users who want a no-frills launcher that feels native to Windows, with features like plugin support for calculator, file search, and window switching. It is easy to use with minimal setup and benefits from Microsoft's ongoing development and support. However, it lacks the extensive plugin ecosystem and customization options of Flow Launcher, making it less flexible for advanced workflows. PowerToys Run is ideal for users who prefer a streamlined launcher that works out of the box and integrates smoothly with Windows without extra configuration. Flow Launcher offers unmatched customization with a rich plugin ecosystem, perfect for users who want to extend functionality beyond basic app launching. It excels in scenarios requiring specialized tools or workflows, but demands more setup and occasional troubleshooting. PowerToys Run, on the other hand, delivers a clean, native Windows experience with fast performance and minimal configuration. It fits users looking for simplicity and reliability without extra bells and whistles. In real-world use, Flow Launcher is better for power users who want to automate and customize daily tasks, while PowerToys Run suits those who want quick app launching with tight Windows integration. The trade-off is between flexibility and ease of use. Flow Launcher can do more but requires effort, whereas PowerToys Run is ready immediately but less adaptable. Choose Flow Launcher if you need a highly customizable launcher with plugins and advanced features that adapt to complex workflows and personalized setups. Opt for PowerToys Run if you want a straightforward, fast launcher that integrates seamlessly with Windows and works right out of the box. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you value customization or simplicity most.